buzzing, buzzing, and we're humming, humming, and we're loving all day. Flying high like the birds and the bees, and we're feeling alive while we float with the breeze, 'cause we're buzzing, buzzing.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Tatiana, and today we're going to be doing a July favorites. So first of all, July flew by. I can't believe that summer, literally, there's less than a month left of it. Really crazy. Alright, so I have a lot of things that I want to talk about that I've been loving. So I'm gonna try to link down below everything that I can find for you guys. And other than that, let's get right into it. Alright, so starting off with skincare, I have two items. I really tried to narrow it down. And the first one I talked about in my skincare routine, and it's the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. I love this stuff. It's not too heavy and not too light. My issue is if I want a lighter cream, it usually just isn't as hydrating, and in the summer you don't want anything thick, but I still want my skin to be moisturized. So this was just a very happy medium for me, and I've been in love with it. I think I'm literally like halfway done. You can't even see it, but it is very decently sized and really well priced. It's not expensive at all, and you can find it at Sephora, so 100% recommend this. The second thing I also talked in my skincare video, this is skincare slash makeup for me, and it's my Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, chamomile, and lavender. I absolutely love this stuff. I spray it on my face after I do my skincare every day, morning and night, and also I use it as my setting spray with my makeup. I find it just really helps the makeup sink into your face properly, and then it looks more natural instead of cakey on your face. So this has been my holy grail, and I'm almost done it, so I'm gonna have to repurchase this ASAP. Alright, so I have one makeup favorite, and it's been this new Hourglass mascara. It's called the Caution Extreme Lash Mascara. I absolutely love it. The one thing I do have to say is, at first it got really clumpy on my lashes, so you have to be very careful with it, but if you go very slowly on your lashes and aren't too aggressive with how much you're putting on, it ends up lengthening your lashes like no other mascara I've ever had before, and it lasts so long so you're not using it for too long. So I've been loving it now that I've kind of figured out that I should just be like really coating it on, or else then it kind of looks like the spidery eyes. Alright, next thing that I'm reaching for here is actually AirPods. I caved and I bought them, and honestly I got them and I was like, those are so expensive, is it really worth it? So I was trying them out, and then I could never go back. It's such first world problems. It's like, oh, when you pull out one of the earphones, it pauses the music, and you just don't have cords. You can put your phone in your purse and not have to like hold it, and it's really nice for running. The cord's not getting in my way. It's like not necessary, but if you are thinking about getting them, I hype them up. I hate that I like them, because at first I was like, this is so dumb, but I absolutely love them, and I'm very happy that I ended up purchasing them. Next, one of my favorites is actually this purse. I don't know if I've shown it before, but my housemates actually got it for me. I'm pretty sure they got it from Nordstrom, but I'm almost positive it's Aldo. It's so cute, so you can make it short or long, and it's just clear, and then has this white bag inside of it, so you can keep it all clear or have all your contents covered. I love it. It's so spacious, and I literally wear it 24/7. This is my go-to bag when I go out, if I'm going just like anywhere during the day. I love it, and they really killed it with this gift, and I've been literally wearing it for the whole summer, so I really had to mention this because it's just so cute and very me. The next thing I'm gonna talk about are these sunglasses. I'll try to find a pair that's close to them. I got them in Europe at a random like store, but I love these. They're really weird shaped because they're not circled. They have kind of a cat eye, but I love them. I wear these so often, and I guess since I haven't really done a favorites video the whole summer, just stuff that I've been obsessed with 24/7, and these are one of them. I just like love. You guys can see how it's like a tortoise shell kind of, and they're sturdy, and I got them for like $15, so they're really holding along. They went through Europe, they went through the summer, and they've been chugging along. Alright, next thing I'm gonna talk about is actually a bathing suit that I love. It's a really weird material, if you guys can see. It kind of looks like this. It's almost like a towel material, so it actually dries really quickly. So these are the bottoms. I absolutely love the color. And it's almost like a sports bra top, which I find very flattering and also just very supportive because I do have a bigger chest. So I've been obsessed with this. This is literally pretty much the only bathing suit that I've been wearing this summer, and I just find it really flattering. It goes high on the hips. I've been in love with it. I can try to find some dupes, but I got this at Primark when I was living in the Netherlands, but I feel like there's so many out there, so I'm gonna link down below a few. and maybe they have it on the Primark website too, but I'll be linking it down below. The next kind of fashion favorite, I've been obsessed with scrunchies. So I bought a lot of scrunchies last semester, well, so like in September, and I was wearing them kind of 90s style with like ponytails and like my hair up, half up, half down. I was kind of just not into that anymore, but I've been recently just putting my hair back all of the time when I go to work, or just I really like the slick back look now, and I've just been using my scrunchies. So I have been literally obsessed with scrunchies and just putting a little bun behind my head. I've been in love with scrunchies, and they're just really comfortable, and it kind of still like adds a little oomph instead of just like a plain black like little elastic. Alright, so I have a few fashion favorites. My first one is this top from Uniqlo. I absolutely am in love with this color. I think it's just like really flattering, and it's a waffle knit, and it was so inexpensive. Uniqlo has such good quality clothing that is so inexpensive. I'm obsessed with that place now. But it just looks like this. It's sleeveless, and then it goes down and kind of has this like oval shape at the bottom. It's not just straight down, and I love wearing this literally to work, outside of work, every single day if I could. So comfy, and I love pairing it with my favorite pair of jeans that I have at the moment. They're these white denim form jeans that I got from not Urban Outfitters, from Aritzia. They were a bit pricey, but they're really thick, good quality, and they're not see-through, which is so nice. They're high-waisted and they have the buttons. They are covered though, and then they go down to like a cropped boot cut, which I love that style. I find it really flattering, and it just gives a bit of an oomph to a jean. I have a few pairs and I just can't buy enough, but these are such good quality and I'm obsessed, so I definitely recommend this brand. It's definitely worth the more expensive pricing because they're actually gonna last you. My last clothing item is actually another item from Primark, but I'll link down again if I can find something else like this, or it's kind of almost a Topshop skirt, but it's just like the perfect denim color and the perfect length, and it's a bit frayed at the bottom, and I literally wear this probably every single weekend at least once. I just love it so much, so I've been obsessed with this, and I can't get over how perfect this denim color is. My last like physical item is actually a pair of mules. They are literally so disgusting, I need to clean them, but I actually got these from Walmart last summer, and I think they're on sale for like $10, but I've been obsessed with them. I wear them out, I wear them during the day, and you guys need a pair of mules in your life. I've overworn them, but I've been obsessed. Alright, I'm joking. I have one last fashion item. It's this top from Anthropologie. Sometimes to me it looks like a curtain, but I love it. I think it's just such a flattering V here where it doesn't show too much, and then it just kind of goes out A-line and flowy, and it's so pretty. I've literally had this for so many years, and then I'll randomly find it in my closet every few years and wear the crap out of it, and that's what I've been doing. I don't know if they'll have this because I literally think I got it in grade 10, but I love this shirt so much, and I'm gonna try to find something similar to it because yeah, I also want to find it because I want to order this style in plain colors too. Alright, so my last physical item is actually a book. I've been reading Brené Brown's book called Dare to Lead, and it's just all about like leadership and like how to do it, and then how to just like connect with your workers, which I just find so interesting. It's a really good book. Just looks like this, and I've been obsessed with it. I'm almost like halfway done. I just really wanted to like read something and be like learning something when I'm reading. I'm just not really into like the fiction books, which is not real or can't possibly be real, and this is just like all factual and just stuff that she realizes that worked for her in her life, and it's like really good to connect with and then understand different ways that you could maybe be leading not the right way, or even just certain ways that you could connect with your workers in a way that they don't feel like you're superior, we're actually looking down on them. It's really hard to explain, but I would definitely recommend it 100%. Alright, so even though this album literally came out 3 days ago, I have listened to this album I think probably a good 10 times fully, and I'm not exaggerating by that. Chance the Rapper is by far my all-time favorite artist. He's never disappointed me with any music he's ever come out with, but his new album, The Big Day, is literally the best album ever, and I just honestly keep it on repeat. I don't get tired of any of their songs. A few of them, my favorite is Balling Flossing. I also love Let's Go on the Run, Get a Bag, and also Found a Good One, No Single No More. But every single one of them is amazing, but those are just my favorites. I'll write them down below too, just because I said that really fast. I need to calm down. But it just excites me so much, and I'm so excited because hopefully he goes on a tour soon so that I can go see him, because I've actually never seen him in concert, because whenever he came to Toronto I was never here, so I'm really excited for him to come on tour soon. Alright you guys, that's all my favorites that I have for pretty much the summer and also just July 2019. I hope you guys liked this video. I'm definitely going to be linking down below everything that I talked about or anything similar if I can't find the exact one. But I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys did, give it a thumbs up. If you guys want to see more videos from me, subscribe down below. And other than that, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!